Hello, it's Nicholas from Affiliate Marketing Info Channel. The new product called Personal Branding Blueprint, which will be launched on September 17, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is the Personal Branding Blueprint? This is a breakthrough system to reinvent yourself. What you need to do to build your six-figure brand in the online street industry and learn your customer trust and make passive income in 2020 to 2030. What is this is a very today I will review this product is a very different. You have never heard of it. Is course to how to build your brand. Most of you have to when you have the most important is content is king, and also you build your brand, build your email list. But this and how to monetize your list. This is also to offer them something very valuable when they trust and like you, and then they will more likely to buy your product. But it is also how to build your brand. This is exactly what I revealed to you in today. This special program. This is also a special program. What is the benefits of building your personal branding? This is also about some of the benefits you will have. This is, people will trust you more. If you have a much higher perceived value, you will always 100% unique. You are and then you will become known as an expert in your field. No matter what your field you are make money online, dating, health and fitness. Your audience definitely see you as a known as an expert in this field, and also you will attract ideal opportunity. This is no much about technical skill. You will get more confidence, and you will also after you go through this course, you will understand the key principle of branding. Let's take a look at our sales page, and we'll see some of them. They are very famous. They also build your brand when you see these people on the page on the TV, newspaper, somewhere on internet marketing, on YouTube. You will recognize these people are the expert in their own niche. So if they recommend you, if you have been in this particular interest, when they are recommended, they also have and you can see they have many followers in their social media. If they have recommend because they to how to brand themselves, also they want to provide much valuables to their customer. When they are trust and more like, and then when they recommend something, they will have possibilities to make a ton of sales. That is the power of the branding. In this course, you will know how to and understand the key of the branding, and you will see this income proof, and you will see that you scroll down to the bottom, and why you should state it with this branding. You will because this is the vendor. He is also very professional in teach people how to build their branding. It is also when you cover up with dinner, and you will have the step-by-step module. It is when you purchase this file, inside you will get the inside the members area. They will have much in-depth and teach you how to build your brand. And then what we will learn, you will learn your personal branding can accelerate your career, and also define your personal brand, summarize your personal and professional quality, and also you can use social media to reinforce your personal brand. It also you can also to communicate your unique with your resume, and also cover the letter. This is also to increase your branding when you empower your branding. It is more influence and such the most powerful, and you can see and such Robin Tan group. Anthony Morrison, on the single, when you have to be in online marketing industry, they are very professional, 6, 7, and 8, even 8-figure learning income. And you will when you master the key of the principle, you will discover how this is powerful and clarify your unique professional value. Build your reputation using the social media create a more focused job search and you will get and also you will also have this is also I feel this is also very suitable for many people. I feel no matter whether you are affiliate marketer product creator list builder Shopify store high-ticket consultant or whether you are author coaches CPA marketer or you are you are selling physical products such as you are eBay or Amazon seller if you have your brand you just also to increase your conversion so when you become a conversion they also have some exclusives for you. Let's take a look they will also offer and bonus number 1 is affiliate marketing blueprint 2.0 bonus number 2 is chatbot marketing blueprint number 3 is trial building mastery bonus number 4 lead generation mastery bonus number 5 internet traffic blueprint number 6 you will join the internet leadership PieFix social communicator PieFix weekly master class bonus number 8 you will definitely this is also come with 30-day money back guarantee. You just also you have if you have any one of the category you have to much more you have to build your brand and also when people know, like and trust you, there is more possibility you will make a more sale. This is also not only for marketer, author, teacher, student, when you are retired, stay at home, parents, anything. Once you can do that with this personal branding blueprint. So let's take a look at what I have my exclusive bonus for you if you grab this product. Also don't forget you can get all my exclusive bonus in the description below. The first link is my bonus page. So let's take a look at what is the personal branding blueprint. Personal branding blueprint is the beta test proven blueprint that will teach you how to develop, monetize, and scale your personal brand. And also I also have some exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, how to build a WordPress website in 2020. Why I suggest you to build your website because this is the most important for you to build a brand. When you have the website, what you can do, you can brand yourself and let people know who are you in the website and also to and also you can build your list and you can provide more value when they you can also set up some default and when people want to when you provide value people want to contact you you can also not only for email or you can contact with your social media. This is also definitely possible. You should build your WordPress. If you are new to know how to build your WordPress, I also could include it in this bonus. This is a long version and shorter version. Long version is about 20 it's about 2 hours long. So for the first short version is about 30 minutes to build your website. The bonus number 2, you will get instant access to over 99,000 PL articles. If you are new and no idea and struggling how to build write a blog post, this is definitely help you how to write your blogs. This is also how to customize in your own word, or you can spend some money and also to outsource to rewrite your article or some very well-known article spinner. I know the article spin rewriter is the most important, is the most well-known article spinner that you can. This is also WordPress plugin. When you press in, you will have just let it appear article and you will spin into a very unique article, and this is also very awesome. You will have more idea how to write your blog article. Bonus number 3 will have over 100 graphic design bundle. It will also cover more order boxes, testimonial template, script page, and you will not only you have to write your blog post, you will have some graphic is also to grab the visitor attention. Bonus number 4, you will also get you a package contains 100 viral course video coast 100 coast viral coast image and also something very viral video. You can also put it inside your WordPress. The bonus number 4, you will get instant access to 300 and over 315 royalty-free premium sound checks. Bonus number 6 is a video course, and you will discover how you can quickly build a massive following of loyal subscribers on Twitter. Don't underestimate the power of Twitter. If you can build a loyal subscriber, you will have more possibility to build your brand. Bonus number 7, you will have a one-click fan inviter. This is a Google Chrome extension that will allow you to mass invite all the Facebook users to like your post as well as your page. Give you more fans in your page. That is also to build more followers to trust and like you. It is also another way to build your brand. Bonus number 8 is we will get access to quick ebook creator. This is that easy to create ebook within your WordPress blog. It is also, I think it is also a WordPress plugin. When you can create an ebook for yourself, you can build another way to build your brand. This is only you can provide an ebook for a giveaway to build your list. This is also to build your brand because the ebook is built by yourself. You can put your name, photo, also to build your name. This is also definitely you can use it. Also, you can bonus number 9. You will get all the exclusive bonus in the sales page for a vendor. Don't forget, you will get all those exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. When you purchase this blue button, and all my exclusive bonus will inside in the Warrior purchase file. When you press this blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. Lastly, I will go through the upsell, what you will get inside the upseller. Let's take a look what is the upseller. Upsell number 1, you will get all of them for $70. Upsell number 1, Personal Branding Academy, $97, $67. This is also to teach you how to build your brand. Upsell number 2 is Done For You Branding Template, $77 with downsell $47. But if you are busy and don't have time to design your website, this is Done For You template can help you how to build your website. This also a must. You must do it for yourself by yourself. Then the last upsell is brand design one-to-one coaching, which is $197. It also have one downside with $127. I forget it is also $19.97. You will get this downside with $47. This is also a one-to-one coaching and coaching and consulting. $197 downside with $127. This is important if you are serious how to build your brand site in your brand and new website. You will have decided and document. You will have come to how to use it, and you will get the personal coaching to teach you step by step how to in the live section to teach you how to build your successful, profitable, six-figure personal brand. This is a one-to-one live classes. If you have extra money and you are serious how to build your brand, I highly recommend you can get this coaching. This is also for downsell with $127. This is when you grab this course, people will trust you and build your specific audience, attract ideal opportunity and also get in confidence. So I recommend if you want to build your brand and also to more people will like, love and trust you and possibility you will have more possibility to make a sale when you recommend something valuable to your audience. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. When you put practice button and go through them and when you purchase this file, you first practice button, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.